Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick pantry organization video. I went on ahead and I purchased this over-the-door pantry organizer. It is out of the box already and up on the door. I'll go ahead and show you that in just a second. So I wanted to go ahead and show you an up close of the door rack that I purchased for my pantry. It is made by Closet Made. It comes with 8 tiers and you can have the option of mounting it onto your door or you can mount it onto the wall, and I am going with the door rack option. So this is a pantry organizer hanging off of the door. Now it does come with an additional 2 hanger rods that can go on the bottom, but I think these, let me see, these 5 shelves should be enough. So this is my pantry right now. All of those airtight jars I got from Walmart. Sorry, not jars. All of those airtight containers I got from Walmart. And as you can see, I attempted to organize this a couple months ago, and like I said, it just quickly became a huge mess. So I'm going to go ahead and start by taking some things off of the pantry shelves and moving them onto the door rack just to see what fits best. And it took me a while, but I finally found a camera angle that would allow me to show you the entire pantry. Obviously you can't see the bottom shelves, but that is okay. And you guys are currently sitting on top of my refrigerator.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind.
So I decided that since the door hanger is hanging loosely on the door, there is no hooks on the bottom, I thought it would be best to put something heavy on the bottom shelf, and that is why right now I'm going to be moving my beef and chicken broth onto the bottom shelf to try and put some weight on it so it doesn't bang around as easily. Hey guys, I also wanted to say, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join me every week here on YouTube, and if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos every week. I truly appreciate it.
I will have your back away, and now we're grown up.
So here's what I have so far on the door rack. I'm definitely going to be keeping all of Jacob's food on the door rack just for easy access. And I'm also going to be moving everything that is on the top shelf Lazy Susan onto the door rack so that I can use the smaller Lazy Susan for my other canned goods that are currently just sitting on the shelf.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. But suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? I think
So this right here is my little snack basket. It has Jacob's applesauce, my Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs. These are absolutely delicious. These are in the caramel nut cluster flavor. I have some open crackers. And then my husband loves sunflower seeds and this heat trail mix. He hasn't opened this, but that's his.
thinking about me. Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
So I had this little Lazy Susan up on this top shelf in front of all of my airtight containers. I decided to take everything that was on this Lazy Susan and I placed it onto the second shelf, which I think looks much better. And I had all of these tomato sauce cans just standing in front of this Lazy Susan. So as you can see, I put it on its own. I think I like this much better. I am considering buying a can dispenser and putting it into this shelf so I can lay all the cans down sideways like this and just pull one out as I need it, but I'm not too sure yet. I might get that. And then as you can see in the back, I have some baby food that we'll probably give to Jacob so that it's not wasted. I have our snack container right here. I'm also going to be getting rid of these two white shelf dividers, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the stovetop as well as these suddenly salad boxes upstanding next to the mashed potatoes. Everything that is on this shelf I hardly ever use for cooking. I'm really trying to get away from using boxed dinners. So yeah, if this is behind anything, that's perfectly fine. I went ahead and added the third railing to extend it farther down, and I added just one more shelf to keep some of the Ziploc bags on. I might add even another one to the very bottom. I'm not too sure yet, but right now this is what it looks like.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that this video gave you guys some good cleaning motivation. I hope that you guys love the way my pantry turned out just as much as I do. If you guys have small pantries like mine, I really suggest buying the over-the-door rack to give you guys extra organization space. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see all of you back in a couple of days in a new video. Bye!